Hi guys, I'm Hannah. I'm not even gonna bother sharing with you guys where I've been or what I've been up to. You guys know that in the past I can be inconsistent. Trust me, it's going to change. Today's video is gonna be a get ready with me. I haven't really worn makeup like that since the pandemic started, but I decided since I got some new products and new techniques of how I do my makeup, I might as well just show you guys how I do everything. So if you're interested in seeing how I beat this face, please just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I feel like I left off with you guys like at the end of December. I remember I had done just like the end of the year haul. I know you guys knew that I had gotten a new job, so that's pretty much why I wasn't able to film a lot because of my new job. I just was really busy, and if you guys know, tax season started, so then that kind of took away all of my time. I was doing like 60 to 70 plus hours a week, and I was just tired, as you guys can see by my bags. Forgive me. I already started off by applying my moisturizer. Next, I'm going to be applying this Tatcha, the Silk Canvas, all over my face. So yeah, guys, I pretty much left off, and if you guys see me looking this way, it's because I'm putting my makeup on in the mirror. So I pretty much left off at the end of December, and then everything kind of got hectic in the world. As you guys know, the Capitol riots happened, and for those of you guys who don't know, I do have a minor in political science, so I'm very much invested in like the political sphere, as well as just like things that have to do with like injustice and like police brutality, stuff like that. So I kind of just didn't feel like filming stuff. But can we talk about that? Can we talk about it? So I just want to know how you invade the United States Capitol and there's barely any arrest, considering the summer we all had last year. Nicolas Cage had a harder time getting the Declaration of Independence out of the National Treasures Disney movie than all of those individuals in there, and I'm just like... So for today's foundation, I'm going to be using the Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. I am in the color Filter... Sorry guys, there's like a lot going on outside. I'm in the color Filter Witch 26. This foundation is something that I had tried once. Also, another thing that happened, you guys, I turned 25, April 13th, I'm an Aries. So yeah, I'm 25 now, and I actually used this foundation on my birthday, and it kind of held up really well, especially considering that we have to wear masks and stuff. I'm sorry, I'm struggling to get this open. So this is what the casing looks like. As I said, you guys, I am in shade Rich 26. Thought about using this foundation after I saw Makeup by Shayla use it. I'm just gonna put it on a plate and use my beauty blender to apply it. Before I apply that, I'm gonna be taking this oil control toner, tea tree oil, and I'm using it as this facial mist to just blend everything into my face. And then I'm taking just a basic beauty blender and just applying this to my face. This right here is annoying me. I have tried everything. Honestly, guys, I might have to get a laser for it, but I've been consistently trying to work on my skincare, and I don't really have any pimples, as you guys can see, just a lot of like I said, acne scarring. So that's really what my focus has been during this quarantine. This foundation has really great coverage for like, you can build upon it in certain areas, and I feel like it kind of mask a lot of my scars. Okay guys, so this is what the foundation looks like just with one coat. I definitely could add more if I want to, but I kind of feel like I don't need to. I'm just going to use concealer instead to get rid of all of the other blemishes. So the concealer that I'm going to be using is an oldie but a goodie. It's the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I am in the color Medium Dark 3, which is a Monday. I do one right here, and then I do one right here, and then I kind of blend it out, and then apply more if I need to. And then I'm going to spot treat any area I think I need to conceal, which is a lot because I keep breaking out everywhere. Okay guys, so as you can see, I feel like this is pretty good coverage, and it feels really lightweight. I feel like I was able to conceal a lot of the blemishes. So now I'm going to move on to my setting powder. This is again another oldie but a goodie. It's the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I personally don't think there's another powder in the game that does what hers does. You can try to comment down below suggestions if you want. I'll check it out. But I feel like Laura really has like the best setting powder. And this has lasted me, like I still have a lot left. And I think I got this last year, maybe the beginning of the year, because obviously since I didn't wear any makeup during the pandemic, I didn't really need to use it. Okay guys, so while this is setting on my face, I'm actually going to do my edges, just so that those can be done and out of the way. So I'm going to be using a Mile Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel, and I'm just going to be taking a brush and just applying the gel to create some baby hairs that I don't have. Actually guys, you know what I just realized? I should probably wait until after I apply my contour before I do this. So scratch that. I'm going to come back and do that in a second. Okay guys, so I'm just going to be taking this little powder brush and just wiping off or blending in the powder. Okay, so now that that's blended in, I'm going to be taking the MAC, and this is in Swiss Chocolate, and I'm going to use this as my contour just because I feel like I don't like harsh contours anymore. Just something really light and that just looks like very natural looking. And this is just a BH Cosmetics angled face brush. It was actually gifted to me. I want to give away by Tiara because she's been on YouTube for quite some time. She's actually one of my inspirations, so I was really excited to receive some of the products. And make sure your contour is just going into your hairline, you know? You want everything to just kind of blend. And then I'm going to be taking a smaller brush, and this is by Japanese, and this I'm just going to use to contour my nose. Okay guys, so this is my contour, pretty much my foundation. This is what everything looks like. Now I'm going to go back to finishing my edges. And I like for mine to look a little realistic. Like some people's I see, I'm like, girl, there's no way your hair curled that way, but okay. These are what my edges are looking like. They might have you seasick. I'm going to be using another oldie but a goodie, the Precision My Brow Pencil by Benefit. Just going to do these really quickly. Guys, I've been trying to grow my eyebrows out. Every time I go to get them done, I get impatient and I say, you know what, I'll just go to whoever, try someone new, and every time I regret it, and I need to just start sticking with the person that I know does a good job on my brows, which is Bima. I've been very careful with who I let do them because I feel like people just make them thin regardless of like your facial shape, and that doesn't work for me. Another thing that's currently going on is the Derek Chauvin trial, and y'all, the trial is currently going on, and my anxiety is only anxious because I feel like there's only one way this can go for the safety of everyone. Okay guys, so my brows are done. Now I'm going to be taking this Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette, and this is called Starry Eyes to Apotness. I think I said that right. These are all of the colors. Gorgeous. This is also gifted to me by Tiara, and I think I'm just going to go for a basic nude color, something very light. So I'm going to be taking this Happy Glow color and just applying that into my crease just to give my eyes a little bit more definition. Okay guys, that's pretty much all I really wanted to do for my eyes. Now I'm just going to be applying this eyelash setter by Lancome mascara base. It works so good. If there's anything you think you need to get for your makeup, this is it if you want your lashes to pop. I'm going to let this sit on my eyes, and I'm going to do my highlight in the between time. I'm going to be using the Cali Contour Smashbox palette, also another gift that was given to me by Tiara. These are just all of the colors, and I'm going to be taking this one in the middle right here and applying this on my nose and stuff like that. I feel like it's been a while since I switched up highlighters. I'm just going to blend that in. Also guys, what do you think about my nail shape? So my nail tech kind of convinced me to do different nail shape for my birthday. Usually I was going with like the square nails. I kind of like these too, but I think she kind of made them a little bit too pointy. The shape does make them look a little bit more feminine, like more elegant. Now that this is set, I'm going to be taking the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I got the travel size just because I was trying this out. I smudged. So I'm going to let that dry and then I'm going to take it off. So far, I think I like this mascara. I can't tell if it's the Lancome stuff or the mascara that's making my lashes pop. And I've only been applying my mascara to my top lashes. I've been doing this for a couple of years now, and I like the way it looks. Okay, now moving on to the lips. So I'm going to start off by lining them with this Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner. This is in the color Molasses, so it's just like a dark brown color. And then for the lip color, I'm going to be using the Artist Couture. So this is called Aphrodisiac. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Had a lot of fun trying some new techniques, trying some new products. Let me know down below in the comment section which products you have tried or have been using, or if you have even been wearing makeup during quarantine. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at hannahxcole. I'm about to go up. Like we're gonna turn this all around, and the content is coming. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.